Welcome. In this video I will show you how to lock the screen of MacBook Air M4. Generally there are three ways that you can do this, either by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and selecting the lock screen option, or you can use the combination of three keys, Control, Command and Q, or you can simply short press the power button and it will put your device on the lock screen. Let me also demonstrate you other ways. So the Apple logo, lock screen, and the last one was the command, Control, Command and Q. And as you can see, all of these three ways work perfectly. So that's how you lock the screen of your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.